Hello YouTube, so finally back with another video. This video is a design and 3D print of a dumpster shaped deck box. This is a special request from a friend. So the idea here is just make it look like a dumpster, make it fit a standard deck. So I think they plan on putting their One Piece deck in here. The design criteria is just make sure it fits a 60 card deck. I think they double sleeve their deck, so I gotta make it a little bit thicker. Just generally make it look like it's a dumpster. So pretty easy idea. Just dumpster's already box shaped, so that's gonna help out a lot. Not a lot for me to think about when it comes to designing it. Just gotta make sure I have all the little features in there. Early on I decided I don't want the wheels on here or anything there, because this should just sit flat onto the table or whatever. The lid was originally thinking of doing like a hinge design, but I had a lot of issues with that, and you'll see a little bit later. But relatively easy design. As you can see, the design process, it's what's taking up most of the time is just designing all the little features, those little wedges and things like that. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit for the print review and all that. And here we have it. This is the final deck box design, the dumpster deck box design. A special request from a friend. He wanted to make his deck box in the shape of a dumpster. I think I went through 2 different box designs and about 9 or 10 different lid designs. At the end of it, I decided to go with this snap-on lid. I had a lot of challenges getting the hinge part of it to work. As you can see, this is going to fit a 60 card deck, just standard size. His is going to be for a One Piece deck. I don't play One Piece, I just have Yu-Gi-Oh cards, so this is what I have to show off. Everything fits perfectly fine. He's going to have extra room just in case, those cards are a little bit thicker. I know he likes to double sleeve his deck, so made it with that in mind.